It's done. Alright. Hi, YouTube viewers. Sorry if I kinda don't completely appear in the camera. Oh, screw this. Anyways, I figured I would do a Modfest video for YouTube. I want to give a props to JboyAAA for basically inspiring me to do this. If I had ITG2, I could throw in a few more interesting mods. Anyways, I'm going to do the song Your... No. Keep it on standard. Oh, and wait, why do you have it on 3x? Anyways, I'm going to do Your Reign Rage Mix on heavy 2x, boost, flat, reverse, and you're going to do the heavy steps?
And I'm going to do the normal heavy steps, so it's
no, wait, then I could just look at your side.
Oh well, deal.
Oh well. Never mind. I'll do the standard steps on 3x.
Make your mind up!
Well, if it's different steps than you, then I can do it. Alright, here I go. Ready?
You're an idiot.
What, you think I'm going to embarrass myself?
Yeah.
Well, I have some difficult mods on, I think.
But I don't think I'll be the one to embarrass myself. I know it.
She looks like she's a...
Oh, the camera just fell! You want to just cut this?
No!
How you didn't stop the video?
I did it! We're sorry, folks!
Okay, Modfest canceled. This video is just going to be heavy steps. Oh, we should talk about something random. So hopefully Hess will get involved in the conversation while she's playing song. No. We should talk about that water balloon party you were talking about earlier.
Oh yeah! There was this water balloon. Heather threw it at my back. It didn't pop and it hit the ground and it popped.
Well, that was kind of the point of that. Wait, hold on. Wait, you're the one who messed the pad.
I did it!
Wacko! I'm contributing my craziness to this factor!
Okay, hold on. Hold on. No. Don't end it just yet. Anyways, I kinda tried. I basically canceled that once the camera fell down.